What if I told you that by just adding a few specific foods to your regular meals, you could see a big boost in how well you sleep, from falling asleep faster to staying asleep through the night? In this video, I'm diving into 5 essential foods that we seniors should definitely consider adding to our diets if better sleep is the goal. I'll also touch on a few things you may want to cut out, and even go over a few supplement suggestions depending on your nutritional needs as you get older. To get better rest, the types of food you want to prioritize are those high in melatonin, tryptophan, complex carbs, magnesium, and zinc. Chia seeds. The first on my list, and something I've started to really recommend for people over 50, is chia seeds. Yes, believe it or not, chia seeds are an incredible superfood. They're high in fiber, plant-based protein, and loaded with omega-3s. On top of that, they're full of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and the key player for sleep, tryptophan. Tryptophan, as you may know, helps increase melatonin in the body, which preps you for rest and encourages calmness before bed. Another great bonus? Chia seeds can help curb those late-night cravings. Thanks to their fiber content, they help you feel full and reduce the temptation to snack on high-calorie junk before bed. Here's the catch. Timing really matters. I suggest eating chia seeds about 2 to 3 hours before bedtime to give your body time to properly absorb the tryptophan and nutrients. You've got options for how to eat them. Toss them in smoothies, mix into baked goods, or sprinkle on top of a salad. But my favorite, chia seed pudding. Next up on the list, nuts, especially pistachios and almonds. Honestly though, most nuts can be helpful. Pistachios are packed with nutrients, lots of magnesium and B vitamins, both of which are linked directly to better sleep. They're also one of the few foods that naturally contain melatonin. Almonds are another excellent source. They've got a high amount of melatonin, and they're rich in B vitamins like riboflavin, niacin, and thiamine, all good for your nervous system and sleep quality. Now, moderation is key. Don't go overboard. I suggest sticking with no more than a quarter cup of almonds or pistachios, ideally about 90 minutes before you go to sleep. Personally, I like to eat them plain as a snack, but if you want to level up a little, add them to a bowl of plain or vanilla Greek yogurt. Just make sure it's low sugar, or sugar-free to get the full benefit. Before I get to my favorite recommendation on the list, if you're enjoying this kind of content and want more science-based tips for better sleep, do me a quick favor and like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us keep creating this kind of helpful content. My mission with this channel is to help as many people as I can, so your support makes a big difference. Also, if you're waking up groggy or constantly feeling tired during the day, there's something else worth mentioning. I'm naming my sleep apnea. Especially if you snore at night, it's more common than most people realize, and a huge number of people don't even know they have it. Bananas. Banana tea. Now for my favorite sleep food, bananas. And more specifically, banana tea. Most people don't realize bananas are full of magnesium, but here's the kicker. The peel actually contains even more of it than the fruit. Don't worry, I'm not telling you to eat the peel. What I am going to do is show you how to get the benefits of it in a really simple way. Here's what you do. Take a whole organic banana, wash it well. Cut off the tip and stem, slice it in half. Peel still on. Drop it into 3 to 4 cups of boiling water. Boil it until the peel darkens and the water changes color. Once it's done, just strain and drink the water. That's your banana tea. It's full of phytosterols and magnesium, which help calm the nervous system and ease you into sleep. Next up, Montmorency tart cherries. If you're someone who has a hard time falling asleep or wakes up a lot during the night, this is a great option to try. Montmorency cherries are rich in melatonin, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatories. In fact, several studies have found they can extend sleep time by as much as 30 minutes and reduce how often you wake up during the night. You can drink them as juice, just look for low-sugar versions, eat the dried fruit, or even take it as a capsule supplement for a more concentrated form. A little tip. I often suggest people take 1 dose in the morning and another about an hour before bed. But make sure you're getting Montmorency cherries. Other varieties don't offer the same sleep-promoting benefits. The 5th food I want to highlight is kiwi, and it's on nearly every top foods for sleep list out there, with good reason. Kiwis help promote sleep largely thanks to their high serotonin content. Serotonin, as you may know, plays a huge role in melatonin production, your body's natural signal to go to sleep. They're also a low glycemic index fruit, which can help with blood sugar control and lowering cortisol, your stress hormone. And high cortisol at night? That's a major sleep killer. I recommend eating your kiwi about 2 hours before bedtime. Personally, I just slice one up and eat it raw. Easy and effective. Foods to avoid. Now, let's talk about the foods you'll want to stay away from if better sleep is your goal. Red meat. High in fat and protein, which keeps your digestive system working all night and messes with your body's amino acid balance for sleep. Spicy and acidic foods. These can trigger acid reflux and even cause nightmares for some people. Sugar. Large doses of sugar late at night appear to reduce melatonin production, which delays sleep onset. Caffeine. Sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people have a cup of coffee or chocolate after dinner and don't realize it's affecting their sleep hours later. Big meals close to bedtime. Your digestive system works better when you're upright. Eating large meals before lying down makes it harder for your body to process food, which can interrupt your sleep. Supplements for seniors. If you're a senior and you're not getting these key nutrients through food, here are some supplements I often recommend. Vitamin D, magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids. These can help cover nutritional gaps and support better rest, especially as we get older and our nutrient absorption slows down.